3. Okay. Do you recognize who I am? Do you recognize this Bill? This mug, Bill? This crazy Aloha, as we call it. Does it bring back any memories? Brother Bill, it's Timmy. Basically, you are a dad to me. You have been since the moment I met you and you walked into my office on Portola. You've changed my life. You've been there through all my ups and downs, and I just want to see you get better because I miss you and I love you, and I've been praying for you, and I'm here for you, and I want you to remember, and we all want you back here. So, Bill, just keep being you, and actually get back to being you, and with the time that I've spent with you so far, you have so much aloha. So I see that it's in you, it's there. We just need to get it back. You are just an amazing human being, and like I said, you've changed my life forever. I love you so very much, and I don't know what I would do without you. So mahalo nui loa for everything, Bill. I'll be giving you lots of hugs, but you can always go back to this video if you don't remember and stare at this mohawk of mine and this mug. I love you, Bill. Aloha.
Hello, Uncle Bill. This is Vern Fernandez, Hunavai Hawaiian Band. My brother's Vince Fernandez, plays with me too. And of course we play with Chris Weinrich. And we want to say aloha and hope you feel better, and hope you're on the road to recovery. We are the first band I think that you might have fallen in love with, and that's a privilege for us. And hopefully you've enjoyed all this Hawaiian music as a result. And I remember those old days at Aloha Island Grill when you just came to the porch every day and sat there with your hat and built a lot of Aloha Island Grill and built a lot of ponos now, and the whole community is surrounding you right now, and we want you to know that. Also want to tell you that my kids love you too. You're still known as Uncle Bill to them, and so they're pulling for you as well. Kaleo, Kealoha, Brianna, and Michaela, my wife Michelle. Of course you know Laura as well. So we're all pulling for you, Uncle Bill, and we wish you the best, and much aloha to you. And if I had my guitar, I'd sing a song for you. But when you're better, I want to go bring that guitar, and we're gonna play some music, because it's been way too long since I played for you. So play songs just for you, Uncle Bill. Mahalo. Love you.
Aloha, Bill. You might not recognize me because of this haircut, but this is Makana. Just wanted to send you my love, my aloha. Here's a little song for you.
Aloha,
you, Brother Bill, from Makana in Hawaii. Get well, man.
Aloha, Bill. It's Jenny. How you doing? Miss you a lot. It's your partner in crime here. We're at Pono. We're having a little bit of fun. We have more fun with you. Can't wait till you're back. Take it easy. We love you. Get well. Aloha.
Aloha, Bill. This is Norman. How you doing? I hope you're getting better and stronger every day. All your friends down here at Pono certainly do miss you. The place isn't the same without you. So we're all encouraging you to try to get well as quickly as possible and come back and spread a little bit of your aloha. See you later, Bill. Take care. Bye-bye. 3.
Aloha, Bill. It's Turtle Girl. Remember me? Karen Cooper. I miss you so much, and we all do. Can't wait till you come back. And every time we're all together here, we always think of you and mention you, and just can't wait for the day you can join us again. I'm coming to see you really soon, so looking forward to that. It's been a long time, buddy. Love you. Aloha.
3.
Aloha, Brother Bill. It's Stan the Man, Meitinger from Island Breeze. And just coming to you, want to encourage you, let you know that we miss you. And we're down here at Pono right tonight. And remember Pono, great place. And there's an empty seat for you down here. Being the mayor that you are, of course, in charge of all the booking. And we really miss you. People are talking and trying to support you and encourage you. You're not alone, okay? We're praying for you. We're pulling for you. Our thoughts and prayers are with you. And we want to come play music for you at some point. So let us know when you get to that point. You want to hear some good Hawaiian music. We'd love to come by and see you. And so we just miss you down here, Bill. We've got your hat, so if you want your hat, it's on the wall over here in Pono. And once again, I just want to be one of the many that's going to say aloha to you, Brother Bill. Love you, okay? Aloha.
Aloha, Bill. I'm Aldon Sanders.
Hey, Bill. It's Kaye.
Hope you're feeling better. Here's a song you might remember, a song called Ikona. It goes like this. Aya ikona kai opua ikalai aoherua erikeai beoe malihini mako yaoe Later for now.
3.
Hi, Bill. It's Gwenn. You always knew me as Gwenn Kawamura, but you did come to my wedding when I married Brian, and it's Gwenn Estep now. But in 1987, when I came back from Japan with Sazan, my husband, and you and Hiroko and the kids were living on Laurel Glen, you so graciously opened your house to us so that we can move to Santa Cruz instead of going back to Lake County. And then Sawata was born here. I was pregnant with him. And Heidi was born here. And you worked on our houses. And all the kids loved you. You were an uncle to them. We pounded mochi together. You came to all their parties. Whenever you saw Heidi when she was 6, 7, 8 years old, you'd always ask her, what's the good news? What's the bad news? And she'd always have to, on the spur of the moment, think of something to say. And for us today, the bad news is you need to get strong and recover. And the good news is you have a million friends that love you and will help you. And here I am. Just call me whenever I can do anything for you or your lovely family. I love you. Brian sends his love and his thanks. I don't know if we'd be together if it wasn't for you. I love you so much. Thanks.
Aloha no, Uncle Bill. How's it, my brother? Hey, this is Robert Unkanko from Hawaiian Band here at Ponos tonight. Missing you, man, but your hat is on top of the stage hanging down, so you're here, brother. No worry, you are here. Miss you, but I wanted to say that we're standing by you, we're fighting with you, we're fighting with your family. So come back, brother. Okay? Everybody miss you here at Pono. We love you, brother, and we'll talk to you soon. Mahalo. Aloha.
Aloha, Bill. This is Cata, thinking of you and sending you best wishes for healing, and looking forward to a time when you can have some visitors, and Karen and I hope to come visit you soon. So keep on the healing road. We're praying for you and hoping all good things are coming your way. Take care. Bye-bye.
2, 3.
Aloha, Bill. This is Brother Rick Rasai, and on behalf of Garden Island Blend, myself, and whoever else is with me that plays, I want to wish you the best in your recovery. We really miss you here at Pono. Thank you for exposing the Hawaiian community to awesome Meli, and thank you for just heading things up and being just the person that you are that just loves Hawaii. Aloha, take care, God bless you, prayers and thoughts for you until you recover. Aloha.
Aloha, Bill. It's Karalyn. I can't even begin to tell you how much we miss you and how much you are needed here. We are praying for your recovery. Think about you daily. And you are in our hearts, you're in our thoughts. And I'd like to send you as much aloha as I possibly can today to help you in your speedy recovery. Know that you're loved and that you're missed, and we think about you always. Love you. Aloha.
Aloha.
Hey Bill, this is Shari. Sorry I couldn't be there. I'm out in Vegas visiting my son Aaron. I hear that you're under the weather and that every day you're improving day by day, and I'm hoping that you get better soon, and I hope to see you soon because the world isn't the same without you. All right? So you get better, and I'll see you soon. Aloha.
2, 3.
Hi, Bill. It's Veiia Anderson, and I just want you to know how much we miss you. And every Hawaiian thing I go to, I see your hat somehow traveling. I know you're there in spirit, and we've been sending energy to you like this and in other ways like this, and we really hope to see you back soon.
This is Kahuna Kieth at KAPU, Watsonville, your Hawaiian radio station. So I hope you're doing well, hope you're feeling better, and we're all rooting for you. And we love you. Hope to see you soon.
Aloha.
Aloha, Mr. Dean, Mr. Bill, how you doing? Toby Gray here. We're sitting down at the Pono, missing you, buddy. So sorry to hear about your mishap, and hope you're getting well quick. We've been hearing mostly good things, that you're on the road to recovery, and just want to see you get back down here and take care of yourself. All the Wahinis and everybody is looking out for you and wishing you well. So, love you, my friend. Take care.
Great.
Yeah, hi Bill, it's Georgette here. You better get better soon because we miss you here. Sending all my love and can't wait to come see you and bug you. So.
Hi Bill, it's Jan here. We're waiting for you to get better so you can come back to Ponos. We miss you big time.
Big time.
Get well.
Great.
Hi Bill, this is Jason, and you probably know Garrick over here.
This is Garrick. I'm your favorite male hula dancer. How are you, Bill? We miss you. Hope you get better soon.
Yeah. Sending you best wishes. Hope you get there. We look forward to seeing you back, smiling face. So take good care of yourself.
Yeah.
2, 3.
Hi Bill, saying hi from Cynthia.
And hello from Kim. Aloha, Kim Seidel. From the days at Kapu. We're looking for you to come back quickly, and we're wishing for your speedy recovery.
And to dance along with us here.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Okay.
Aloha, Brother Bill.
Hi, Bill.
I'm Duane.
I'm Iris.
Hope you're feeling better. Heard you got the kind bunk on the head.
Get better. We're praying for you, Bill. We love you.
We need you back here. And all the ladies are making this all girly here. We need you back here.
See you, Bill. Hurry up and get better.
How's it, Brother Bill? Vini Joy here from over the hill with Island Blend and Halona Viola. We are all sending you our warmest wishes for a speedy recovery, and hope you come back to your badass self and come and join us soon. Miss making you dance in front of a bunch of people. In fact, we have a Hoike on June 2nd. I hope you're ready. Please let me know. I'll get you 2 tickets and have you brought up here. We miss you, man. Speedy recovery. All the best. God bless you, brother. Aloha.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Aloha, Uncle Bill. This is Keli'i Amantia of Kanalu. Just hope that you get better. Hope to see you soon back over here at Pono so you can play some music. Tonight we have Uncle Jerome, Coco of the Makana Sons playing here. And we miss you, we love you, and God bless. So get better, and we see you soon. Okay? Aloha.
3.
Hi, Bill. This is Jackie and Josie. Josie's almost 3 now, and we finally got to come visit, and we're missing you at the concert here. Aloha Friday at the Pono Grill. We hope to see you soon. Get well. We love ya. Aloha.
Ready? Aloha. Remember me? It's Eddie Tanaka. He helped us to get up there in San Francisco, Santa Cruz, and put us in Pono. So when I say mahalo, we want you to get better so we can come back. We plan on coming back maybe in September. So get better, be well, share aloha, shaka tanaka.
2, 3.
Hi, Bill. It's Mary Moss, and I just wanted to say I'm at Pono's tonight and missing you, missing seeing you here. And my sister Marilyn is over on Oahu right now. She sends her love too. I just wanted to say I want you to get better soon, and we all are thinking about you, love you, and miss you so much. So, aloha, Bill. Take care. Hope to see you soon.
3.
Bill, it's Joanie. You and I took our first hula class together 12 years ago in 2006. We have been friends ever since, and I, dear, am responsible for your teeth. So when you get out of that bed, I want you to come straight to my office so that we can clean them for you and get you back up and running. I miss you, I love you, and I really can't wait to see you again. They won't let me in the door of your your room, so I'm on the outside here filming. I love you, Bill. Take care, and I'll see you soon.
Aloha, Bruddah, Bill, Lani B, Lani Oliveira, Bandhauer here with you. So nice to say aloha on the beautiful patio, gorgeous afternoon at your pono. So it's so nice to be pono with you, giving you our love and all the listeners' love. And many thanks for all this good music you bring. Aloha, Bruddah, Bruddah Bill, big hugs. Memory of my dad, Leonard. Oh, big hug. Okay, Bruddah Bill, I'm gonna wear my hat for you. Aloha, kiss.
Hey, Uncle Bill Dean. So I'm sitting here in front of my computer and I'm trying not to let the reflection, there we go, get into my glasses and fog up because I'm talking to you. Anyway, I hope you're doing well. And coming to Santa Cruz on that March 7th weekend was not the same without seeing you. And Chauncey and I really missed you. And so does my guys down here, Jim Kramer and Tad Iona and Sean Allen. Been praying every day for you and sending your family good wishes and good thoughts and big Samoan and Hawaiian hugs for you. And I know the Lord still has something planned for you here. And so I am hoping that you will be able to get stronger every day and feel the love that everyone has for you, because you gave us that and so much more. So listen to the doctor and don't be stubborn, and listen to your family, and you better listen to us too, okay? We need you. All right? Miss you, love you. Alofa atu. Take care. See you soon, okay? Bye.
2, 3.
Aloha, Bill.
Aloha, Bill.
It's Michelle.
And this is Lori, one of the amigas.
And we just want to say hello, and we miss you, and we want you to get better and come back to Pono soon and be able to see you and dance for you.
I know. Where are you, Bill? Come back to us. We love you. We miss you. It's not the same dancing without looking at you and seeing your smiley face. So take care, be strong, and we'll see you soon. Shaka! Love you.
Love you. Aloha.
Bill, Charmaine here, wishing you lots of healing, light, and love. We miss you a lot at Pono, and we're excited to see you get well and come back and visit. And we all miss you. Love you. Aloha.
3.
Aloha, Bill.
Aloha, Bill.
Lorraine Kaye here.
Ted Kinnaman, Lorraine's husband.
All right, Bill, we're sending you all our aloha just so you can hear our love, our voices, our, just all our prayers, of course, for your healing and recovery, and that you get back to full-on strength and stoke. I keep having this vision of you sitting in front of my halau, saving not only seats, but saving parking spaces in front so that all the musicians can come and play music. Of course, I have a vision of you here at Pono, but more than that, you're just everywhere in our hearts. And I look forward to seeing you in your ohana, and all of my love is with you.
Yep, and remember, let's do another gig at Lorraine's Halau. I'll bring the pulled pork. I know you love the pulled pork, so let's do another gig. Get well soon, because we have lots more music.
And we miss you, Bill. It's really so interesting to go through all these things that we can go through in our life with health, and then realize, wow, you know, when somebody like you is missing, it's huge. So we're just waiting for you to come back and come back strong. We love you, Uncle Bill.
Bye, Bill.
Aloha.
Aloha.
Hi, Bill.
Hey, Bill.
It's Meli.
James.
Murray. Previously Moniz for me.
We have since
but I've been married. We just wanted to say to get well, get better. Aya, our daughter, is 4 months old now, and you need to meet her, so get better fast.
Yeah, you do. We miss you, Uncle, and we appreciate all that you've done to be part of our lives, and we can't wait to see you again. And we're sending you lots of love and aloha.
All right, love ya.
Talk to you soon.
Mwah.
Mwah.
3.
Hi Bill, it's Isabelle. We miss you so much at Pono. Every day we come in on Aloha Fridays looking for you, and we really miss your presence around. I hope you get better soon.